All right, guys, it's not raining on me today, which is a good thing. Again, we have 4 areas to do. Stay tuned. Good morning, Facebook, YouTube. Today we have 3 areas and a hallway. You see the client move the furniture. We do require clients to move furniture. We do not move furniture. We only clean the carpet. So what we're doing today. Got a master bedroom here. Hallway. Large living room area. And of course steps. Stay tuned. Alright guys, what we're doing today is we're agitating the carpet fibers. This actually breaks since it spins the soil load and agitates it. Think of it like when you wash your hair, you put the soap in, then you agitate your hair, and then you rinse it with water, correct? So this is the kind of same process of the carpet fibers. Alright team, we are actually agitating the fibers of the carpet. This actually helps in aiding the suspension of the soil load. Kind of like if you guys were to take a shower and put shampoo in your hair and agitate it with your fingers. This is the same principle. So as always, we always pre-treat, precondition, then agitate your fibers, and then we could steam it out and then use a neutralizing rinse to make the carpet fiber soft. So, all right guys, little tip of the day. Stay tuned. Right now we're steaming it out. Hope you guys are having a great day. Responding very well. Got that residue, contaminants, dead skin cells, air particulates out of the carpet. Because remember guys, the carpet is the biggest filter in your home. The second is your HVAC. That's why your carpet is designed to be vacuumed and cleaned periodically. Just like you change your furnace filter. We also do duct cleaning as well. We're your one-stop shop for home service. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Look at that. Back to being restored. Remember guys, there's 3 types of cleaning. There's maintaining, there's restoration, and of course there's warranty. Most of the time I do warranty or maintaining, meaning the carpet ain't that bad, you just want to maintain the warranty, or they just want to keep it clean, because it's easier to clean than clean dirty. Of course, if it needs to be restored, that means it's a deep cleaning. I also provide my clients with a price list, everything that we offer, as well as a brochure talking about everything that we offer, like carpet, upholstery, tile, and of course wood. Open it up, and it talks about each service individually. Really good information, as you can see. Of course, the process. We also do drug and area rugs, and then my information on the back. So we provide that with every customer. All right, guys, thanks for watching. All right, guys, we already pre-agitated the carpet fibers. Now we're getting ready to steam it out, so stay tuned. All right, guys, I am done. We're gonna get a testimonial from the client here in a moment. I'm gonna put a post-treatment on a furniture stain they had that basically dyes the carpet, and I told her I would put an oxidizer on there and pump it out. Look at that, guys. Amazing. Look at that. Oxidizer on this little stain here. Beautiful. Grand finale. What do you think? Definitely improvement, huh? Yep, keep the fans on. That should expedite the drying. And again, it should dry between 6 and 12 hours, depending on humidity, airflow, and density of the carpet. So, all right, glad you like it.
Thank you so much.
You are most welcome.